breakfast at school. Magandang umaga uli. Miss Angeline. Ayun. Dito na kami sa school. Happy Wednesday! Kaya kami ng breakfast. Pancake. Ito kami ng golden coins. Bili kami ng pandesal. Dito kami bumibili ng pandesal. Yeah guys. Dito kami sa golden coin. Bumili kami ng pandesal. Pakita mo dating pandesal.
Pandesal, pang-umaga.
Yeah. Kami bumibili ng Filipino ano siya. Ayun yung title. Golden coin. Bumili.
Ayun ako.
Pakita naman yung pandesal ng
Mainit-init pa. Init.
Bili na kami. Ito. Ay, halik. Habang mainit-init pa, kainin muna natin. Yeah, mainit pa nga. Ang sarap ng pandesal. Ganito. Pandesal namin. Ang init.
Ang sarap ng puti.
Sorry. Kain tayo. Ba't hindi mo pina-brown? Usually,
Matagal pag brown.
Oo nga. Pero parang mas masarap pag hindi brown.
Yeah.
Kasi mas matigas pag brown.
Sunog.
O minsan nasusunog nila. Okay, kain lang kami. Kasi uwi na. See you later. Hello. Yun, ready na ako. Inintay ko na lang ang aking hubby. Susundin namin mga kids. Tapos, we might eat somewhere. Tapos, baka diretso kami ng mall. So, itutour ko kayo mamaya sa mall. So, yeah, makeup ako. Just for some info. Ang ginamit ko sa eyes ko tong, I usually use this, the Wet n Wild Walking on Eggshells. Yeah, ito yung palagi kong ginagamit. Kasi natural lang siya. So, yun. Hindi siya overwhelming. Ito palagi. Kasi I love all naturals colors. Tapos, I also did a, anong tawag dito? Bronzer. So, ito na nga, malapit na siya maubos. So, I need to buy one. Also, Wet n Wild bronzer. I usually use it. Hindi na ako nag blush on, which is I also have Wet n Wild. Itong tatlong to, they're really cheap, but it's really nice for the ewan ko, it works for me. So, tapos for my eyebrow, I usually use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. Yan na nga, matagal na sa akin to, really mas matipid talaga to. So, whoever live, I don't know, I'm not sure, whoever live in the US, I don't know if meron to sa Philippines, pero yeah, this is really good. I think it's Judy time also review about this. So, it's really good. I don't use the wax, but only this, and sometimes I use this, but most of the time yung nasa gitna, yun ang ginagamit ko. Yeah. So yeah, tapos I usually use my Studio Mac powder. Yun lang. Tapos for my lips, today I use ito, Revlon 359. Yan. That's, promise guys, ito lang usual ang ginagamit ko. Tapos for my eyes, lashes, ano ba to? Power Volume. I think this is Maybelline, yeah. Power Volume Maybelline. Tapos, for my eyeliner, ito. I love this one. This is the Physicians Formula Liquid Eyeliner. Yan. Yan, yan lang nasa mukha ko. As for some info, yan lang palagi kong ginagamit. Use most of the time. Here! Say hi first! Hi! So, sinundo na namin sila. Look what Angeline made for Thanksgiving. Wait, Matthew. See, ang cute. There you go. Ang galing.
Is that the hen?
Yeah, it says this isn't just a turkey. As anyone can see, I made it with my hand, which is a part of me. It comes with lots of love, especially to say, I hope you have a very happy Thanksgiving Day. Dear Mom and Dad, thank you for being the best parents. Parents, you always make my food. I love it. When you take me shopping, I love you, Mom and Dad. Love, Angeline. Wow! Thanks, baby!
I didn't make anything right now.
It's alright.
We just did our test.
Just listen and be thankful for every...
92%.
Wow! Good job, babe.
I did a test too.
So yeah, gumawa siya ng thanks. Tomorrow nga pala, Thanksgiving
test?
namin dito
Perfect.
sa US. So,
Wow.
they have 4 days. No school,
How many
eh?
tests do we have this week?
I'm not sure. So yeah, ang ganda ng ginawa ni Angeline. Thanks, Angeline.
One test.
Love
I got my
you,
results.
baby
I
ko.
got an MP at 92%.
Wow.
MP on my social studies test.
Okay,
So what about,
we're on our way to
100%
waffles and
recess?
pancake. Kakain na naman kami doon, babal kami kasi nagustuhan ko. Ay, waffles and pancakes?
Pancakes and waffles.
Alright. She corrected me again. That's this one. Okay, we'll vlog over there. We'll see you there. Ano sila? I don't have my order yet. Started already without me, you guys.
No, I'm just getting ready.
What
Daddy,
did you
don't
have there?
start without me. We're
Daddy
gonna
has
race.
the chicken and waffles. Grandma had the chocolate chip
Alright.
waffles. And Angeline get the combo Portuguese waffles and egg.
But you got the
Okay, there you go. There's my the grilled
Let's start.
fish and rice.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Kain tayo. Kain na naman kami. Same place, same table. Thank you. No. Oh yeah, sure. We're here at where are we at, Angeline?
Macy's.
Macy's. Burridge Mall.
Mommy,
Doon na kami sa Burridge
tell
Mall.
them that someone tied a dog at the tree.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll tell the story later when we get home.
Okay.
Where's the other two boys? Yeah guys, dito na kami sa mall. I'll try to vlog later.
The Japanese.
Yeah, this is a brand new store.
Hello.
No, they have brushes too. Okay. Are these all Korean products?
Yes, all
Oh,
Korean. All
okay.
made in Korea.
Yeah, new It's just brand new.
Yeah, they're brand new.
Okay. Yeah, I'll come back with the... Thank you. Come on, Angeline. Maganda yung ano, yung cream. Yung cream.
Mommy, I want to go in the car. Mommy, I want to.
Oh, yes. Okay. Hold on.
I want to ride.
Sandali lang. Hi. Gonna purchase. What time is the next one?
The next train is at 2:10.
Okay.
7 minutes.
Okay, go. Daddy, you have the...
How much?
So you want it once again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want Matthew? No, no need, yeah? Okay, Angeline, go pay.
Yeah. So 350.
Oh, I don't want to go.
Starting in 3 minutes.
You can fit.
No, I'm telling...
How much?
50 cents is your change.
Okay, thank you. Wait, this.
And here's your receipt. Your receipt is your ticket, so hold on to your receipt, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, she's gonna ride the train. Where are we gonna wait?
Remember at the
Right here. Go in line.
Inside.
Up.
Oh, Mickey, I can make you up.
Hi there, sweetie. How are you today? Good? You ready to choo-choo train? Alright. So, make your way now.
Okay, thanks.
Have a minute.
Okay, just wait there, my dear.
Making a lot.
Sit down. Just sit down.
Ah.
Here, we're just waiting for Angeline. Nandun siya, oh, sa train. Hi, guys. We were just talking about Matthew and he was
No,
baby.
don't even take
He used to ride this too.
Don't
Now
talk
he's
about. Don't talk about.
now he's too
Don't
big
talk
for
about
it.
He used to ride it. He's taller than you too, look, Mommy. Yeah.
And my baby is
By the
taller
way,
than me now. He
Mommy,
used
look,
to ride
look
this
how
train.
big. Mommy, look. Mommy, look. Mommy, look how big I am.
I know. Look, guys. My son.
Mine from Daddy. There we go.
Dakil ka niya, Mommy, eh. Stand up straight.
Go next to Daddy. Let me see. Wow, almost. Hi, Angeline. There it is, coming. Angeline. Angeline! Angeline! Ayun, nahabol ni Kuya Matt. Here it comes again. Angeline! Angeline! We're at Aeropostale and then I saw this sign. See Bethany Mota. She's one of the YouTubers too, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys know her. She has I guess representing Aeropostale, one of the brands. Yun. Yeah, just wanna show it to you guys. 60% off. Yan ang gawa niya. One more time. We're here at Victoria's Secret. Come on, Angeline. Almost done. Where you at? Yun. Halika na. Tingin tayo dun pa, banda. We're in American Eagle. Galing lang namin sa children's place. Ano naman ang pinamili ni Daddy? Oh, look at that. Hi, Angeline.
She's mad at the moment.
Why?
Mad. Well, let's go.
Ornaments. Come on, let's go. We're at the escalator. Hey, mister.
Where's your mommy?
Here's some makeup, guys. Ayan. Urban Decay. Isip na nakakita nila. Are you done? That was fast. Naked.
Naked.
Yeah, it says naked. Daming makeup. Nakakalulang mamili. Yung face.
I want to eat the hot dog here.
Alright, we're done for the day. We're just gonna go home. Napagod na. Ang aking...
You guys want to go restroom? It's gonna be traffic. Mommy, can you drive?
Okay. Daddy will wait for you here. We're gonna say
Bye-bye.
good
Bye-bye.
night.
Please subscribe and like and share for everyone.
Okay, the vlog was at the mall. Pasensya na kung medyo magulo. I just take a clips wherever we went. I try to take a clips. So yeah, good night na
We're gonna do a
guys. Thank
movie
you for
night.
watching. And yeah, we're gonna do a movie night. We're just gonna eat what we're eating.
Pretzels and mini hot dog.
So yeah, this is our dinner. What is this? Yan, the mini hot dog and the cinnamon
Cinnamon
steaks.
pretzels.
Say good night na guys.
Good night.
Bye. Good night.